Last time when we talked about Git, we talked about the important basic concepts like git commit, push, pull, and having a pull request. Now we'll talk about a very important concept which is called Worktrees. Worktrees allows you to work on multiple Claude instances at the same time. It makes the progress much faster. Let's say I'll open Claude. And last time, if you remember, we had this simple website. It said, hello world. It had like 5 or 4 different buttons. Now what we want to do is we want to do 2 things. First, we want to have like on this homepage, we want to have like a listicle with, let's say, 20 or 30 different cards. And at the same time, we want to work on like an about page. So how can we do this? If we do it the normal way, which is, I'll say like create a new branch, call it new designs, for example. So I'll be on this new branch. And on this branch, I'll say on the homepage, delete these 4 buttons and create a simple listicle with cards, make them 20 cards, just put dummy content, and I'll be in plan mode. So now it's already in planning mode, trying to like understand this request. Now, at the same time, if I want to do like an about page, let's say I'll start a new terminal here and I'll say Claude. I'll open another Claude. The problem is if I change the branch here, automatically it will change here as well. Like you can't work on 2 different branches at the same time. Let's say if I say create a new branch, call it about page. If I do this here, it will change the branch here. This is not what we want. We want each instance to be working on its own branch. So here as well, it's on the about page. It just didn't update. If I say what branch are you on, it will tell me it will be on the about page branch. Here, it's on the same branch. So we want this to be on the new designs branch, and this is on the about branch. So if we want one Claude instance to work on the new designs branch and another one on the about page branch, we'll have to use a concept called the Worktrees. So how can we do this? First, we exit. To initiate a Worktree, it's very simple. You just write Claude, then you write W, then you write the name of the branch that you want. Let's call it about page. So now it creates a whole new Worktree. It copies your code into like a new folder, and you can work on this about page branch. And here you can say, go back to the new designs branch. This way we can work in parallel. So here I will choose the plan mode and I'll say, create an about page with sample content. And now it will create it. And here I'll say, implement the new design page. It did it. So it will implement it, and at the same time, I'll be working on this about page. Let's see how it works. So this one is already done. The new designs is done. If I'll open it, it will look like this. It's just like a bunch of different dummy cards that we have. So it did what we want exactly. Now let's wait for the about page, and I'll let you know how we can see them both at the same time. So now this is done. The about page is done. I'll tell it just like open page so I can see it. So here is how it looks like. The good thing is that you can work on the 2 instances at the same time. This is the cards page, and this is the hello or like the about page. You look in the URL itself, you'll see it's in a completely different folder. So this one, the normal branch, is in the learn git index, then index.html. Here, it's in a completely different folder. It's in a folder in the .claude folder in a Worktree called about page. Then you have this page. So it copies your whole code into another place so you can work on it at the same time. Now let's go back to our work. Now, if I like this, I'll just say create a pull request and merge it to main, for example. So it will create a pull request, then it will merge it to main. Now our main has this new like listicle page. Now our about page is not updated. If we go to home, we'll see the old designs here. We want to merge all of the code that is in main and bring it back to this about Worktree or about branch. So we'll do this simply. We'll say merge main here. There are different commands. You can say merge main or rebase main. Once we do this, it will automatically update. And if there is any conflict, it will ask you either to help you solve it. Here, there is a mistake I did. I want to show you. It said there isn't anything to update. And so when I refresh here, nothing happens. And this is because when we did like the merge of the pull request, it updated main on the origin, main on the cloud. We did not yet update main locally. So what I can do is I can do 2 things. Either I can say, merge main on the cloud. So this is what it will do. Or I can switch back to like the main branch and I say update or fetch main. So now it should be working. Let's try it out. If I refresh here, it should show me like the hello world, and it should show me like the new about page. What we'll do here is that after all of this is done, say commit, create a PR and merge main. So this means our main now has the about page and it has the new listicle page. We were able to work on 2 different instances at the same time, and we did this by using the Worktrees. You can work on 5 different instances if you want. So this was it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hope it was helpful.